I know the feeling of finding yourself stuck out on a ledge, and there ain't no healing from cutting yourself with a jagged edge. I'm telling you that it's never that bad, and take it from someone who's been where you're at. You're laid out on the floor and you're not sure you can take this anymore. So just give it one more try with a lullaby, and turn this up on the radio. If you can't hear me now, I'm reaching out to let you know that you're not alone. And you can tell I'm scared as hell, 'cause I can't get you on the telephone. So just close your eyes. Well, honey, here comes a lullaby, your very own lullaby. Please let me take you out of the darkness and into the light, 'cause I have faith in you that you're gonna make it through another night. Stop thinking about the easy way out. There's no need to go and blow the candle out, because you're not done. You're far too young, and the best is yet to come. So just give it one more try with a lullaby, and turn this up on the radio. If you can't hear me now, I'm reaching out to let you know that you're not alone. And you can tell I'm scared as hell, 'cause I can't get you on the telephone. So just close your eyes. Well, honey, here comes a lullaby, your very own lullaby. Well, everybody's hit the bottom, and everybody's been forgotten. Well, everybody's tired of being alone. Yeah, everybody's been abandoned and left a little empty-handed. So if you're out there barely hanging on, so just give it one more try with a lullaby, and turn this up on the radio. If you can't hear me now, I'm reaching out to let you know that you're not alone. And you can tell I'm scared as hell, 'cause I can't get you on the telephone. So just close your eyes. Well, honey, here comes a lullaby, your very own lullaby. Here comes a lullaby, your very own lullaby.
See the mirror in your eyes, see the truth behind your lies. Your lies are haunting me. See the reason in your eyes, give an answer to the why. Your eyes are haunting me. Falling in and out. Should I give you one more chance? Lose myself into a dance. Your hands are guiding